Ano yung dito?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Tatlo.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003,
Tatlo din dito.
Basta ano siya, maano mo, i-perform mo lang
the
ng...
victim has positive
Tatlong
Hey,
hey, are you okay? Hi, hey, are you okay? Tapos,
Daisy,
baby, are you okay?
Tama nga yun. Hey, baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay?
Hey, baby, are you okay? Tapos dito naman.
Oo, baby.
Ganito, topic. Tapos, hey, baby, are you okay? Tapos dito, baby, are you okay?
Check, 102, 103,
Check,
101.
ano yan? If the victim is unconscious, please activate medical assistance and arrange transfer facilities and report back to me while I'm assessing the victim. Check the airways. Check the mouth and nose if there's no obstruction. Pag check ng baby, ganun pa lang din. Silip lang po.
Ano po,
Tapos 102, 1,002, 1,003, 1,001. Tapos tanggalin yung ano, di ba? Yung sa pinch.
Ano yun?
Blow. Okay. Blow.
Check ABC. What is check
1,001,
ABC?
1,002, 1,003, 1,001.
Check ABC dito.
1, 1,002, 1,003. Hindi.
Passes
Lagi
through.
mo sa end, di ba? So parang
First
magiging...
IBM passes through. A second IBM
ikot lang siya.
passes
Tapos
through.
blow.
Third IBM
Wow.
with information bounces back. If both air bounces back,
1,
proceed with a
1,002,
foreign body air
1,002,
obstruction management
1,003,
RF valve.
1,002.
Miss, then we please reactivate medical assistance and rearrange the facility and report back to me while I'm giving chest,
Nakabulol pala to ah.
giving 30 chest contractions. Ano yun? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakakawal, no?
Yung dito panta oh.
Attracted chest mo
Dito. Tapos,
Sin is safe.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. If obstruction is seen in the mouth, do the fingers sweep to remove obstruction. Then give 2 IBM. Ano, ay, sasabihin pa nito, passes through. Passes through.
IBM.
IBM passes
Sabihin
through.
mo, first IBM. Air pass through. Second IBM.
Check the airway.
Air pass through.
Check
Third
mo, sabi ko
IBM.
ng first IBM, pag tapos na ganan.
There's no
First IBM,
mouth and nose are clear and there's no signs of
first IBM passes through.
check ABC.
Air passes through.
Ano yung?
Air passes through. Second IBM, air passes through. Then, if both are,
Third
if
IBM.
both airs,
For 1,005, 1,006.
ano na ako sa dalawang IBM?
Oo, may third confirmation.
Ay, may third pa rin pala.
Nag-third chest ng flash.
Step
Ganun.
2 IBM.
Hindi yung tama. Passes through.
Statutory maneuver. First IBM.
Ano to? If both airs still bounce back, repeat the procedure. Tapos na to. Check the breathing.
Air passes. Air passes.
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Air
The baby, no?
The baby has negative pulse.
The baby has negative pulse, negative breathing. The baby is in cardiac arrest. Activate the CPR. Miss Lenny, please reactivate medical assistance and
air bounces
arrange transfer facility and report back to me while I'm giving CPR to the
with the
victim.
F-bomb
Cycle 1.
foreign body airway obstruction.
Ano pa rin ba? Pag nagsi-CPR po kami, hindi na,
Girl,
mga balls.
girl in the
Ganun pa rin.
Nasa pulse pa rin niya.
Sir,
Gaya sa ano.
reactivate medical assistance and arrange transfer facilities.
Kasi pag di ba, pag ganyan,
Oo, syempre, tatanggalin mo yun.
tapos ganyan, sa baby,
Nag-move
ganito lang,
yun.
sinasatanggalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ganito po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Pila pa
9,
lang
and
po
1.
ma'am.
Sasabihin mo ba?
Wala pa.
Oo, sasabihin mo.
Balik ka na sa kanila.
Ganun ba? First idea.
cycle.
Sa'yo to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Wala kami sasabihin na pag sa cycle.
Oo, dalawang blow lang. Lahat sa abot din naman.
Oo nga. Third cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3.
The victim has negative pulse and negative.
Cycle 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4.
Cycle 1.
Cycle 5, may cycle 4. Nalilito na ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 4. Cycle 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5.
Cycle 3.
The victim has positive pulse, negative breathing. The victim is in respiratory arrest. Activate rescue breathing. Miss Lenny, please reactivate medical assistant and arrange transport facilities and report back to me while I'm giving rescue breathing to the victim.
Check ATC.
Ito na yung...
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. The victim
Ano po?
sa
has
rescue
pulse but
breathing.
negative breathing.
So, 1,001, 1,002. Ano?
Blow.
Ano yun?
Begins with a blow. Blow
Ganun lang,
siya.
babe. Please reactivate medical assistance and arrange transfer.
Sa blow lang po itong sa ano? Sa pag ano ng
Blow
breathing.
lang.
Begins with the blow and
Ah!
the blow.
1,001. 1,002, ganun. Okay.
Hanggang 40.
Oo, hanggang 40.
1,002, 1,003, 1,001.
Assist pa din yung ulo po.
1,002.
1,001,
1,003, 1,004.
1,002, for example, 30 na. 1,010, 1,020, 1,030, 1,030, 1,040.
1,002, 1,003, 1,006. Check the ABC.
Check ABC, 1,000.
The victim has passed
1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
position.
The baby has positive pulse, positive breathing. The baby is revived. Do the secondary survey. Put the victim in recovery position.
Right position. The baby
Head to shoulder.
Tapos,
Dito.
yung ano mo, pag isahin mo muna yung shoulders niya dito.
First
yung
recovery.
Tapos sir, I will put you on side lying position.
The
Please
back
bear
is
with me.
paano yung
Ano
yung
yung
ganito lang? Ano nga
Yan.
sabihin? Pag
Maybe
nakuha
I
ko
will place
po,
you on a head to shoulder
Head to
position.
Yun eh.
Maybe I will, wala ko
Side
sa
lying.
Hindi, ano nyo?
Side lying
Ano?
Maybe
Hawakan ito.
I will ano po yun?
I will place you on a head to shoulder.
Assessment.
Baby, I will place you at head to shoulder. Head to shoulder position. So,
Upper back, no dots. Lower back, no dots. Spinal collar.
back of the head, no dots. Ganun lang po. Lower back, no dots.
Supine.
Lower back, no
I
dots.
will put
Upper
you in the
back,
supine
no dots. Lower
position.
back, no dots. Spinal column, intact.
Pagpahiga, supine. C-S-U-P-I-N.
Tapos sa anterior, ilalagay ko na siya.
Supine position.
Oo.
I will
Tapos anterior,
Basta pagkatapos ng upper back, lower back, spinal column.
ilalagay na siya.
I will place you again to supine position, baby.
I will place you again para final position.
Supine.
Eyes.
I will place you again to supine. Ibig sabihin supine nakahiga.
Ay, sulat ko na. Hindi ko nasulat.
Sulat mo kasi notes mo.
Tapos, dito, head and forehead, no dots.
In the middle.
Ears, no. Saan yung secretion?
Secretion.
Secretion.
Circular stencil.
Eyes, equally reactive to light. Reactive to light. Nose, nose bridge. Hawakan yung
Hawakan mo yung apat.
nose bridge intact. Mouth and nose. Mouth and nose clear and no sign of obstruction. Check saan yung band?
Cheek
Dito.
and mandible.
Dito.
Intact.
Cheek and mandible, no dots.
Thigh, no dots.
Intact.
Intact. Leg, no
Gitna
dots.
dito.
Capillary repeat.
Trachea in the middle.
1,001,
Jugular
1,002.
vein in the
Pedal pulse
dito.
present.
Jugular vein dito yung ugat natin yung pag
Can
nagagalit.
you pull my hand?
Ito.
Pag nakakanta, tapos gagawin
Ito.
Balik na ulit dito.
Jugular vein, no.
Yung
Not
sa'yo natin.
Not distended. Shoulder and collarbone. Ito po, no.
Capillary repeat.
Shoulder and collarbone intact. Chest.
Okay.
And
Radial pulse.
Chest, tapos yung ribs.
Pedal pulse.
Ribs natin, ribs cage. Yung ribs natin.
radial pulse.
Bisa ng pedal pulse ng
Chest and
kamay.
rib
Pedal
cage,
pulse?
no dots.
No,
Abdomen,
radial pulse.
abdomen, no
Dito.
tenderness, hip bone,
Radial.
intact.
Radial.
Oo.
Ay, ito pala sa baba.
Thigh, no dots.
Radial pa mga kamay, no?
Anika,
Pedal sa paa.
intact. Leg, no dots. Capillary refill, saan ka vital signs?
Capillary refill. Ipindutin mo yung
What
kuko.
is PRP?
Ito.
What is
Oo.
PRP?
Ang capillary refill.
What
Ay
is
yung
the
pagpindot yung kuko ng mute.
Temperature,
At
pulse
pag
rate,
bitawan mo, babalik yung
blood
dugo.
pressure, and
Oo, yun ang okay.
Capillary refill, 1,001, 1,002, okay? Pedal
color of the skin and
pulse,
space.
present.
Care for shock. Okay na yun. Di ba sasabihin na lang ito na
Sabi
ganito?
yung reflex.
Memorize
Sabi
body
ko ba to? Sabi
temperature,
mo.
care for shock.
Can you push? Can you...
Hindi na.
Ano tayo?
Tapos dito na sa arm, no dots, elbow, joint, vista, capillary refill, 1,001, 1,002, okay? Radial pulse, presence,
Radial, ito. Yung lalaki.
Please reactivate medical assistance and
Radial pulse,
facilities
presence,
and report back to
then,
me. While I'm giving rescue
Tapos na po.
breathing to the victim. So for rescue breathing.
check for vital sign, temperature,
Yan, i-reset nyo na lang naman na yan.
Parang nakatayo lang ba to?
check for vital signs, temperature, pulse rate, and BP.
Ano ito ba?
Then care for shock, proper body
Rescue breathing.
temperature.
Hawak
Begins
lang.
with the blow up po.
Begins with the flow, that's 1,001, 1,002.
Mag-pitch ka ng nose kasi mag-blow kayo eh.
Okay.
Back to support ng head.
Proper endorsement of
Saan mo ako dyan, ma'am?
Make 2 copies of
Napupo
medical
din ako.
report, 1 copy of the medical personnel, and 1 copy
3 years na.
caregiver for legal
Add mo
purposes.
ako.
This ay
1,002,
Ay,
1,003, 1,003.
for
Hindi
body
ko- Hindi ko alam.
1,002,
Pero may panibago ako.
1,004.
Kasi na yung na-block yung ano ko, isang account. Nagawa ko ng panibago.
change clothes,
Dito ka napagawa ng CR po.
cleaning and disinfectant of medical equipment,
na.
proper disposal of PP.
1,002, 1,003,
Ngayon, kasi pag nagpa-RC ako, mag-agis ako.
1,001,
Puro grips ang hinagis ko kung hindi diamond.
Oo, ganun din ako eh.
Ganon ka rin.
Level 28 na ako.
Tenderness and swelling.
Ah,
When to
sa
stop
ngayon, hindi ako
cigar,
focus
when to-
eh.
when to stop-
Kasi nga yung isang account ko nalaki.
Yun na lang ulit ako.
Ah, ngayon din.
Ah,
magkano sinahod mo dyan?
Pinakamataas mo sa audit na 6K.
Oo nga, basta masipag, no?
The victim is revived.
Mas maganda kasi malaki ang hagis.
Araw lang yun.
Oo. Mas maganda kasi ang grips ang hagis kasi malaki ang sasahurin. Pag maliit,
I will
Nag-
take the sideline position.
nag-usyanan.
Here with me.
Nag-usyanan na ako pag manalo ako, hindi ako marunong pa doon mag ano eh.
Switch.
So back
Oo,
of the
hindi
head,
pa ako marunong.
upper back,
Wait.